Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Eggs in Purgatory. This dish is said to have originated in southern Italy near Naples. The name Purgatory comes from the fiery red tomato sauce that the eggs are poached in, which is meant to symbolize the flames of purgatory. It's a humbly easy dish to whip up in no time. I've heard it's also a cure for a hangover. Comment if you've heard that. A fun fact about tomatoes, they are filled with the antioxidant vitamins C and E, as well as beta-carotene.
You know what? Maybe I will have some eggs. Toast? Yes.
Hi everybody, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Today I'm making my version of eggs in purgatory, which is easy, nutritious, and flavorful. Great for a quick breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Especially with Halloween around the corner. It's kind of a cool idea to have eggs in purgatory. Okay, so below you'll see the description of all the ingredients we'll be using today. I did add a few of my own. Like I said, this is my version. And I have bread here because you'll want to dip it in bread. So let's get to cooking. Garlic forms the foundational flavor of this poaching sauce. The red pepper flakes is what makes this dish pop, so you want to make sure you add it. Canned tomatoes are convenient and available year-round. You can also use whole tomatoes, just make sure you reduce them to a pulp, breaking it down with a spoon or spatula. Leftover spaghetti meat sauce also works perfectly. A few pinches of salt and pepper amplify the flavors in the whole dish. Cheese is optional, but if you're a cheese lover like I am, you don't want to miss out. Using the back of a spoon, make 6 divots in the sauce wide enough to hold the eggs. Then crack an egg into each of the divots and sprinkle tiny pinches of salt and pepper on top of each egg. Cover and cook at a gentle simmer over low heat until the whites are set, but the yolks are still tender, about 5 to 10 minutes. Bread is also optional, but I never skip it. It's quite satisfying to sop up all the flavorful tomato sauce. Tossing in a few leaves of fresh basil and rosemary at the end perfumes the entire dish, and the leaves add a pretty splash of color. Remove the pan from the heat. This dish is so versatile, it can be a quick and delicious weeknight supper, breakfast, or brunch. Okay folks, look how pretty that is. It's almost too pretty to eat, but I am dying to taste it. And let's see what we have here. It's not too hot either. Mmm. Oh man. I haven't even dipped the bread yet. The yolk is just perfect for me. Some people like it runny. I like mine about medium. And if you like it more done, then just leave it covered a little bit longer. I also have some oven baked bacon to go with it. You can put another protein with it if you like, or not. But anyway, this is amazing. Wow. Little treat. Making a mess. Anyway. Okay guys, it's delicious. Thank you for stopping by. I love sharing recipes with you. I've got plenty more to come, so be sure you subscribe and like and comment and share with somebody who'd also like to try the recipe. You got this. God bless. Okay guys, y'all can meet.